Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a special treat for you. We're making chicken tsukune. These are not just any meatballs. They're a savory mouth-watering dish that combines tender chicken with unique textures and flavors. Let's get cooking! First, finely chop the onion and the lotus root. The lotus root is optional, but it's adds delightful crunch mimicking the texture of cartilage often found in traditional tsukune. In a bowl, combine the ground chicken, chopped onion, lotus root, egg white, salt, pepper, potato starch, and soy sauce. Mix well until the mixture becomes sticky. Divide the mixture into roughly 8 equal parts. Dampen your hand with water to prevent sticking, and form each part into an elongated ball. Heat some solid oil in a pan over low heat and add the tsukune balls, cooking them gently. After about 2 minutes, when they're golden brown, flip them over. Cover and cook for another 6 minutes on low heat. While they're cooking, prepare the sauce by combining the sake, mirin, sugar, and soy sauce in a separate bowl. Once the tsukune are cooked, add the sauce to the pan. Increase the heat to medium and reduce the sauce, flipping the tsukune occasionally to coat them evenly. When the sauce has thickened and is bubbling, you're almost done. Add a little potato starch mixed with water to finish, turning the tsukune to coat them well. Serve with the leftover egg yolk. Dipping the tsukune in egg yolk is common and delicious way to enjoy them, blending the rich flavors beautifully. Let's look over what we used today. And there you have it, your very own homemade chicken tsukune, ready to impress at any meal. The combination of sweet and savory flavors with that rich egg yolk is absolutely divine. We hope you enjoyed cooking along with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Happy cooking and see you in the next video. Bye bye!